Good morning, Internet. So today is day one of the new project, which is this bike, which I've had delivered today. It's a 1981 Kawasaki Z550. Bit of a rattle can paint job, bought off a very nice chap from Stoke-on-Trent. And we're going to be converting this into a Gpz 550 D1. So that's how it's arrived, and hopefully this is what it'll look like when it's finished. I know there are a few differences with the Z550 to the Gpz. I believe the cams are different, the carbs are different, the Gpz has a higher compression ratio and therefore generates more brake horsepower, but you know, I think we can live with those sort of differences. I think they're quite minor. This has currently got a Zephyr 550 exhaust on. The chap did throw in the original exhausts as well, but they're in a bit of a state. I want to try and get a netter exhaust, something like that. So it's been delivered to me. It's not running. There's the new battery on it. As you can see, the airbox is gone and it's got cone filters on there. And he says it did run when he bought it, which was 6-9 months ago, so it hasn't run for a little while. There's power. It's had a new battery, I don't know if I mentioned that. But there's nothing on the button, so he thinks there's an electrical fault somewhere. So first job of the day really is just get it going so we know that the engine's all okay, and then we'll look to start the big strip down really and start the conversion. I hope this video log is going to be of interest to you, and why not subscribe and join me on my journey as we convert this 1981 Z550 into a classic example of the Gpz 550 D1, which, as we all know, you just can't get for love nor money anymore. So thanks for watching. Click subscribe. Thank you.